Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my December update to hashtag beautychest. So if you want to see everything that we are rolling out, rolling in, and everything in between, then let's go ahead and just get on into it. So if you don't know anything about this project, it was created by Makeup Misfit, Jessica. I'll have her listed down below, as well as all the pertinent information. And this is based off of the community chest cards from Monopoly, and it goes from September 27th of this year to August 27th of 2026. It's rolling style, and it has collection-specific goals. You update on the 27th of the month. You start with 4 prompts, and you can roll in the same prompt multiple times, even within the same update. And that is about it. We can get into the items that I was working on. So let me grab all of those. Okay, I don't know why we were working on 5 items, but I think it's because we were still working on 1, maybe? Or, oh no, I see right here, free shipping has part 1 and part 2. That's why. If I would just read my own writing. So, let me get out what these mean. Beautychest. Okay, so for affiliate codes, and that was another beauty YouTuber, or Panner's Pan inspired, so it's just paying homage to another YouTuber. I had brought in my Natasha Denona My Mini Dream Glow Blush to pay homage to DW at Dub's Beauty Diary, because we love this blush very, very, very much. And I have a 14 use goal on this. I've used it twice over the last month, and I'm sitting at 9 out of 14 uses. So with a push and a shove, I could get this done for next month, but it could take 2 more months. We'll see. We'll see. It's a very nice neutral blush. I do really, really love it. So that's the only one that's not rolling out. Everything else to roll out, we'll be rolling 3 items in to replace the 4 that are rolling out, because we had a 2-parter. Or at least hopefully we're only rolling 3 items in. Then we had Get Ready With Me, which is out of season for the current season. So I picked this Give Me Glow blush in 1 in a Melon, because I felt like this is more of a springtime blush and we're in winter. And I had a 1 use goal, and I met that goal on the 2nd of November. And yeah. And then I originally decluttered this, but then I recluttered it because I missed it. So, fun fact. But that one is a goal met. So then we had free shipping, which free shipping is a 2-parter. Where is free shipping? Add an extra product. So you just add 2. So for free shipping part 1, I had brought in my Morphe Cloud Light powder. And I had a 3 use goal on this guy, and I met that on the 5th of November. This is what it currently looks like. I did continue to use this. So there is that. And then for free shipping part 2, I brought in my Bare Minerals concealer, which I had a 4 use goal, and I met that on the 7th of November. So both goals met. Free shipping can roll out. And we're only going to roll in 1 item, like I said, hopefully, to replace that. And then the last item that I was working on was Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, which is most affordable. So I brought in my most affordable eyeliner, at least at the time. And this is my Lovecraft Beauty eyeliner pencil. This is a teeny tiny little guy now. And I only had to use it 1 time. So I met that goal on the 2nd of November. I used it the 1 time. And that was a goal met. I had some pretty easy, nice usage goals for last update. So hopefully that can continue going forward. So let's go ahead and pull out the wheel and see what we get. Brand collabs. So I don't think I've had that one yet. Create a color story. Okay. So like a BYOP. Return a product. Let's see. Not a favorite. Okay. And last but not least, our number 3, makeup therapy. Something that makes you happy. Okay, I'm going to go pull all of those items. I'm going to make my color story because I'm probably going to do that off camera. Sorry. Maybe I'll do that with you guys. I haven't decided, but I'm going to go pull all my products and I will be right back to show you what we are bringing in. Okay, so I have all my products here. So for my color story, I just brought in my 5 shadows that I did not finish using for my Mageddon project pan. So I have 4 Pretties for Your Face shades and 1 Cleona shadow, and I just want to at least touch them once. So I'm going to bring these in as my brand collabs. So then for the return a product, my Not Your Favorite, I'm bringing in my Tarte Creaseless Creamy Concealer. I have it in the shade 16N Fairlight Neutral. And let's see how many times I have to use it. 8. 8 uses. Not the most, but certainly not the least. So let me put that away. My Colfi concealer. And then for makeup therapy, which is something that makes me happy, I'm bringing out my Fui. I believe this is the Jello pot. It's not the pudding pot, but it's in Mellow Mango. I love this. I love this so much. It's so hydrating on the lips. So let's see how many times I have to use that. 2. Okie dokie. Well, not the most harsh. I gotta weigh those. But not the easiest, I will say. Especially considering I have a BYOP to use now. But that is going to do it for my update for Beautychest. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that this was a nice update for you. Yeah, that is going to do it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.